Android and iOS will soon get 117 new emoji. I know you're very excited about this, Will.
Oh.
You can't wait to use the bubble tea emoji.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, you can't wait to use that because we just had a bubble tea.
Oh, yeah.
A couple minutes ago. Shout out to Vin. He brought the exclusive bubble tea to us. Oh, you're not even finished. Oh, you're basically.
The Goncha.
Yeah, you're basically finished.
Yeah.
You couldn't resist. So there's a couple of other ones. Both iOS and Android are going to be getting these. It's not just fun and games. It's not just about new ones like Bubble Tea or the Ninja. It's also about changing some emojis so they're more effective.
Oh, hold on here. Is this offensive here with the?
I think that could be perceived as offensive. Yeah. But it is just a hand gesture, so I guess it's up to you what you do with it. I don't even know what the last one is over there. I don't know what that means. I can imagine. I'm guessing.
It's not binary kind of thing. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Anyway, I should have known. I apologize. Google said some of its past animal emoji have been redesigned in some cases to look friendlier. So Google's trying to look friendlier. And then also in other cases, they're trying to make their emoji work better in dark mode, since dark mode is such a hot choice right now, both on iOS and Android, that a lot of the emoji didn't translate all that well. So they also made adjustments there. So it's not just new emoji, it's a new approach to emoji. A Google presentation to developers earlier this month seemed to suggest that it could be September 8th, but Google didn't provide confirmation. Last year's release of Android 10 was at the beginning of September, and Apple is expected to release iOS 14 in the fall. So anyway, we got a bunch of new emoji ahead of World Emoji Day. You didn't even know there was a day for that.
No clue.
But what do you have? You have two people hugging. That's new. A man in a veil, a woman in a tuxedo, and a person feeding a baby. You got all the choices in the world. Well, whatever type of thing you need to send out in emoji form, you can do it, Will. You're no longer restricted. You're no longer confined. They've removed the bars from your cage.
Sweet.
Of emoji choices. Whatever you need.